Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Janessa, if you don't already know. If you're new here, then welcome to my channel. Make sure you like, comment and subscribe, and welcome to my page. Make sure you check out all the videos that I have in my playlist. So today's video is going to be a ring light unboxing. So it's the Neewer Advanced 18-inch ring light. Technically unboxing, there's no boxes. I've already taken it out the packaging, but this item is literally brand new. It arrived this week. It arrived a few days ago, so it is brand new, and I wanted to show you guys what it looks like. So I've wanted it basically since I've kind of started doing YouTube, which was in February, and we are now in December. And if you guys are into the filming and photos and all of that, you will know that ring lights are genuinely not cheap for the decent ones. So I put it off for the longest time. October came and I did a clothing haul, and the lighting was just so bad, and I knew from that moment my next buy had to be a ring light. So I had to bite the bullet and get myself a ring light. So in my head I was thinking I will wait until Black Friday to see if I can get a deal with that, because the one that I wanted was quite expensive. It was saying it was £130. Black Friday came, and for some reason the discounts were not that good. It was like a 10-15% off. I remembered that Cyber Monday was a thing. So on that Monday I looked on Amazon and I saw it had gone down. So it had gone down from £125 to £75. So I was like, okay, I'm getting this right now because this is my only chance. So I got it. And here it is. Guys, I'm telling you now for free. I was like absolutely so shocked at the levels. And if you guys are like me and have been looking to buy a ring light for the longest time ever, then make sure you keep watching this video because this one is for you guys. So let's get into it. So within the main box of the packaging, it comes with two other boxes, and in the first long box it comes with this tripod which just extends out as like a normal tripod, and it literally gives you so much leeway. So as you can see here, you can extend it multiple different ways. So that's the first one, and it comes all the way out, as opposed to normal tripods where you probably only get this extension. It also has another extension there. In the other box it'd be a smaller box, and it comes with the power supply. So you have the first cable with the power supply onto it, and it has the flick and switch just here, so you can flick and switch off. And then it has here where you connect the other source of what I'm about to show you guys, which is the main power supply, the plug socket, the extension to it, which will then just connect into each other like that. And then it actually gives you the extension, which means if it's a lot easier if you're recording from a distance. The cable is quite long. You might need to buy an extension for it, just to, if you wanted it to have more lenience, then I would get an extension for it. But this is the power supply. And next they give you this controller, which is very convenient if you're working from a distance and if you aren't able to keep going back and forth controlling the ring light manually. It allows you to do that, which I thought is really quite handy. So if you select there, that will control the brightness and also the lighting of it. So if you want it more of an orangey, warmer feel, or if you want it like a white light, so that will control that. You can use the plus and the minus on this side to bring it bright or dimmer, and then over here you just have the on and off button. I don't currently have batteries for it, but it's controlled with batteries, and I assume it is 2 AAA batteries. It also has the Bluetooth controller, which, as you will know, you just connect to your phone and you can just click as you are going. It's very ideal if you're taking photos with it. So last but not least, guys, we have the ring light. You can see what they mean when they say that this bad boy is advanced. It is very slim. It's a lot slimmer than the other ring lights that I have seen. It doesn't feel fragile, which is one of my main concerns, but it doesn't seem like I'm gonna break it easy because I'm really heavy-handed, guys, but I don't have that concern as of yet. So here we have just where you connect the tripod, and you see this control here that enables you to bend the ring light forward and back, so you can go back and forth. And this right here, guys, is the panel that will show you what's going on with the ring light. It will show you the brightness level that is at, it will show you the dimness level that is at, and it will show you when it is off and on. And that is your main source that you will use throughout this whole ring light process. We also have this stand right here, which is where I can connect my camera. Just like a normal tripod, I can connect my camera there, or it can be taken off and be replaced with this. So this is what will hold your phone. Most of you are probably aware of this, and you've probably seen one of these before, and it will hold your phone. And just to round that up, it comes with this travel bag, which is very useful for when you're going out to do some filming and recording. It's very compact. It has inside departments. I don't know if I can show you. This is why I need my ring light, guys, for situations like this. Obviously, I'm not recording with my ring light because I want to show you guys the difference. So this at the moment is natural lighting. So it has a compartment there, and then I'll insert some photos so you can see properly the inside of this packaging. But it has 2 more compartments inside where you can, I'm assuming you can put the cables and the 2 controllers that you have. And then on the other side, the ring light will sit in there along with the tripods. And yeah, it's very compact, as I said. It also has the handles here if you just want to hold it in your hand. But if you want to put it on your shoulder, it also has this extra support. So I'm going to show you guys how easy it is to assemble this ring light. So let's do this. So as I'm using my camera to show you guys what I'm doing and to record, I will use my phone. Ideally, I'd like to use my camera, but I will show you guys what it's like just as an example with my phone. So I'm just going to pop that in there. And obviously it just clips in and holds your phone firmly. So here we have the on button. Here we have the control for the brightness and the dimness, the coloring of the light that you're going to decide. And here we just have the levels of it, so you can control it either way. So now I'm just going to show you guys how this really works, right? So it's already on, and we're going to go up. So even level 1 is quite bright, guys. So even level 1 is quite bright, guys, and this goes all the way up to 100. It's one of the things that shocked me when I first realized this would go up to 100, because I was really happy with it on 1 to 5, but it goes higher. So we also have this on the more warmer brightness to it, which is 320. So first I'm gonna, just with the warm setting, we're gonna go all the way up to 100. And you can see there the levels going up, and then I'm going to take it back down, and I'm going to change it to the colder lighting. So we're going to go all the way up. You can see there's different levels to this too, guys, and that is 5,600, yeah. And now that I have the ring light, I'll show you guys the difference that it really makes in the quality of your videos and the quality of your photos. So let's do this. I'm going to turn it on. I think my preference, I probably would be happy with recording like this, like the quality of that video. The difference is just amazing in what I've just gone through just from the click of one button. Let me just turn it off again and show you guys. Okay, so before and after. Are you dumb? Level 1 out of 100. Oh my gosh. So shall we go up? I don't think it's needed, but we're gonna go up just to show you guys. This is 62 and that is 100. Amazing. And then I'll show you guys it in the warmer, right, the warmer feel. So we'll go down to 320. So that's the warmest at 100, which is quite cozy and warm, you know, like winter vibes, Christmassy vibes. I quite like it. And we will go down to 1 because I showed you 1 in the colder feel, and this is one in the warmer feel. So because I prefer the colder one, you know, I'm gonna go back up to cold, and I'm gonna keep it at 1. I don't think it needs to be any higher, so I'm gonna keep it at 1. So guys, what do you think of this ring light? Like, are you impressed? Are you not impressed? I think overall I am so impressed with this. I've already explained to you guys why and the reasonings behind it. I just think overall, if you are one that likes taking pictures for whatever reasons, it could just be for your own intake, professional pictures, it could be for your social media platforms, it could be for anything, literally. Or if you're one that likes doing video content like myself, it is actually ideal and it's literally a godsend. I think it is definitely something that you need to invest in, especially if you're doing like unboxing videos and clothing hauls. I feel like it would really come in handy with that. So guys, so in the comment box down below, let me know what you really feel about this lighting, if you prefer the warm or the colder feels, if you think it's worth the amounts. Personally, I just can't bring myself to part with 150 for a light, but now that I have it, I probably would have at the end of the day paid 125 for it. So yeah guys, that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Make sure you like, comment and subscribe as usual, and I'll see you guys in my next video.